test. About 200.
Oh, even more than I had. Okay. I kind of did it myself, so I didn't see it that
Say what?
I guess the next one.
Oh. Is this battery discharging?
No.
No, the light.
Oh, probably the blinking?
It was blinking.
Yeah.
Okay.
You reset it?
I reduced. Yeah, that's almost 210. Like 14 psi. Cylinder 3. Okay, ready. Yeah, that's 14, which is almost 210. Piston 4. Okay, this one. Ready. Yeah, that's like 2.5 psi, like 40. So there is no compression in this one. Like pretty much nothing. And I think the other two you said they also look good. Well, okay, ready. Cylinder 5. Oh yeah, this one goes to like 15 psi, like 210 plus. So piston 5, cylinder 5 is, I didn't say piston. Cylinder 5 is a lot. And cylinder, you have AC running, because it's blowing cold there. Ready. Yeah, this one is a little bit lower, like 13.5, like 190. But
not crazy bad.
no, that's like actually not terrible at all. Like running about 14 psi. That's normal.
What gives?
Cylinder 4 is dead. Cylinder 4 is just like nothing is there. I think you can call it on Audi 5-cylinder engine. Did Volvo make like 5-cylinder? No, it was only Audi V-Dub. So the cylinder 4 has no compression, and the leak test shows the air coming out through the exhaust valves.
So it's 100 psi. And connect this. And it's got a full leak. Where's the leaking from?
So you're saying it's losing the air completely?
Uh-huh. So there's a hole somewhere.
What does that mean? That the valves don't seal. And to make the valves seal, and this is the exhaust valves. Did they get burnt? Somehow? I can only guess.